Okay, we're about to find out if we're having a baby boy or a girl. What do you think it is, Danny?
I think it's a girl.
I thought it was a girl for a really long time, and now I don't really know. I'm not so sure. You ready?
Should we close our eyes and cut?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't see! I can't tell.
It's a boy! Yes!
Oh, I'm excited.
Are you disappointed? It's not a girl.
No, I'm not. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that either.